channel. This is JS Economics classes. In this video I would be explaining a very important concept which is called indifference curve. This topic is taught to the student of class 11th in CBSE board and also taught in BCom, BA, MA classes and other professional classes also. So this is very important topic. So let's begin the video. Okay, if you like this small video, you please like, share this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's begin this video. What is indifference curve? I will be telling you in this video. See, indifference curve is a curve which shows various combinations or bundles of two commodities that offer equal or same level of satisfaction to the consumer. Indifference curve is a curve that shows various combinations, various bundles of two commodities, suppose X and Y, that offer the equal or same level of satisfaction to the consumer, and toward these combinations which give same level of satisfaction to consumer remain neutral, consumer remain indifferent. Okay, so we can say that indifference curve is that curve which shows indifferent behavior, neutral behavior of consumer towards various combinations of two commodities which offer the same level of satisfaction. You imagine that you are a consumer, okay, and you are given four combinations, namely A combination, B combination, C combination, D combination. And you are given A, B, C, D, four combinations of two commodities, suppose Coke and pizza, okay, and all these combinations of Coke and pizza offer you same level of satisfaction. Suppose you obtain Z satisfaction from combination A of two commodities, combination B, combination C, combination D. You obtain the same level of satisfaction from all the four combinations, namely A, B, C, D. Will you prefer more or less to any of the combination, or you will become neutral for their choice? Yes, answer is you will become neutral for their choice. You will say that it does not make any difference whether you give me one combination A, combination B, C or D, because each combination out of the four combination, each of the combination is offering the same level of satisfaction. You will not prefer any of them more or less. You will become indifferent for their choice. If all such combinations of two commodities which offer same satisfaction are plotted through different points, I repeat, if all such combinations of two commodities which offer the consumer same level of satisfaction to consumer, okay, are plotted through different points on a diagram, and if all the points are joined together, we get a curve. That curve is known as indifference curve. Okay, you can also say that indifference curve is the graphical presentation of indifference set. I repeat, indifference curve is the graphical presentation of indifference set. Okay, now let us see what is indifference set. Okay, suppose indifference set, what is indifference set? I must tell you that indifference set is the set of various combinations of two commodities, suppose X and Y, or you can say that Coke and pizza. Suppose indifference set is a set of various combination of Coke and pizza, okay, and if all these combinations of Coke and pizza give same satisfaction to the consumer, if all these combinations are written together, it will be called indifference set. Okay, let us suppose that consumer is taking 12 unit of Coke, and 1 unit of pizza. Suppose it is offering him Z satisfaction, okay, In second combination, he is consuming 6 units of coke and 2 units of pizza, and this second combination is also giving him same satisfaction. In the third combination, suppose he is taking 4 units of coke along with 3 units of pizza, it is also offering same satisfaction. And in the last D combination, he is taking 3 units of coke, 4 units of pizza, and suppose this fourth combination is also offering same satisfaction. Now if all these combinations are written together in a table, the table is known as indifference set. Okay, and if we present all these 4 combinations, which is shown by indifference set, through a diagram, through different points on a diagram, by joining all the points on a diagram, we will get a curve, and that curve will be called indifference curve. Okay, okay, in the right hand side you can see that I have drawn an indifference curve for your understanding. See, on y-axis I have shown clothing, and on x-axis consumer is purchasing food. Okay, he has limited money income. Consumer has taken 12 units of cloth, okay, 1 unit of food, and A is the combination. Okay, and in another combination B, he has consumed 6 units of clothing with 2 units of food, and these A and B combination are giving him same satisfaction. In another combination C, he is taking 4 units of clothing and 3 units of food, and suppose this C combination is also offering the same satisfaction what B and A are offering. And another D combination, suppose consumer has obtained 3 units of clothing, 4 units of cloth, and this D combination is also offering the same satisfaction what C, B, other 3 combinations are offering. And suppose all these combinations which are offering same satisfaction are shown through different points, and all the points are joined together, we will get a curve. That curve will be known as indifference curve. Okay, now let us understand what are the different properties of indifference curve. Okay, in this video I will be explaining only the first 2 properties of indifference curve. Okay, I must say that I will be explaining the first 3 properties of indifference curve. So here we go. This is the first property.